Even though this is one of the most isolated places on Earth, Rapa Nui's most famous residents, the mysterious moais statues, still emanate a magnetic and mythical aura. Prepare an orange slice, pineapple leaf, and mint sprig garnish. Chill a tiki mug and put to one side. Tiki bitters impart intense flavors of spice and cinnamon. Madagascan vanilla is famed the world over for its beautiful aromatics and taste. This is balanced with the natural acidity of fresh lime and passion fruit. Freshly squeezed orange juice adds a tangy citrus punch. Bitter Truth apricot liqueur combines the juice of sun-ripened apricots with a schnapps distilled from the same fruit. For decades, Myers has been the go-to rum for cocktails due to its unique and complex flavor, characterized by deep sweet notes of cane and toasted brown sugar. 4 Square spiced rum is one of Barbados's finest exports with hints of cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. It is no surprise that the family have kept the secret for 5 generations. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Strain. Top with further crushed ice. Garnish with an orange slice, pineapple leaf, and mint sprig. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.